What did we do here today?
Today was a day I was just feeling out the students and seeing what they could do and then showing them what they could do while they play together. What we did in the beginning was we set it up so we could show them how to make a song from nothing. We first started with the drums, and then we gave them a good beat. We gave the bass player something to do, the keyboard something to do. We had a clarinet and flute player, sax, and then we added vocals and gave them something to play. So I wanted to show them how to build up a song from nothing and to make a song, and something that everybody can do together and sing along and easy to do.
And why this school? How did you come here?
Well, I have my friend Martin Rode. He knew that I always liked to teach. My father was a great teacher, and I always come and play concerts here in Holland. So he said to me maybe 6 months ago, the next time I come, I have to teach at the school here. Yeah. So I was happy that they made a class for me, and it was really cool.
Okay. How do you like the Netherlands? You have a few shows here?
Yes, I had a couple of shows in Bergen. I played in Hengelo, and of course in Zoetermeer, and in Leiden the other day at the Twee Spiegels. And let me tell you, it was interesting because they said it was so cold here before, but I came here and brought some warm weather with me.
It's been nice. It's been nice.
Yes, it's been very nice. You know, some beautiful days. And what I liked about playing here in Leiden is that most people, they understand good music and they really appreciate good music. And a lot of people actually study good music. I'm so angry at America because they've taken music out of the elementary schools and the middle schools. And that's a terrible thing because we know music helps to make the kids smarter. And so why do they do that? I don't know. But I'm happy that they have music here.
Has Leiden been the best?
Leiden has definitely been the best by far because it's so many people that understand all types of good music. And that's what it's about. And people are more friendly here, I think.
Nice. Are you going to do some more teaching?
Yes, we have one more class, 4 o'clock, and we'll actually play some of my original songs and see if they can play my original songs, and then we'll fool around with Ghostbusters. You know, there's such a fun song to play because each part of the song of Ghostbusters is a hook. So even if you hear bum ba you know that's Ghostbusters. Or if we say, who you gonna call? You know that's Ghostbusters. Or if we say, you know that's Ghostbusters. So it's great, every section. Yes.
Very fun day.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. And it's good to see the smiles on the faces of the students because they're curious and they want to know. And so I try to tell them the truth and encourage them to do what they can do best.
They seemed like they really enjoyed it. So.
Yes, that's a good thing.
Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.
Hoe vonden jullie de les vandaag?
Ik vond het wel interessant, leuk dat hij kwam kijken en ook zeker leuk dat hij eigenlijk helemaal vanuit Los Angeles is gekomen. Hij was er natuurlijk voor een langere tijd, maar ik denk dat het wel leuk is als een toevoeging aan onze school, aan de schoolband.
En hebben jullie ook wat van hem geleerd?
Ja, heel veel.
Ja,
sowieso. Ik vond het wel leuk dat hij begon met improviseren voor ons, want we wisten helemaal niet wat er precies ging gebeuren. En toen moesten we ineens improviseren met hem. En ik heb dat zelf nog nooit gedaan, dus ik denk dat ik wel veel van heb geleerd. Ja.
Zijn jullie fan of hebben jullie al eerder zijn muziek geluisterd?
Nou, van Ghostbusters kennen we denk ik wel allemaal, maar de rest niet echt, nee.
Maar hoe kwamen jullie hierop? Hoorden jullie gewoon, hey, er komt iemand lesgeven? Of?
Ja, onze muziekdocent heeft dan aangegeven dat hij in Leiden kwam. En toen vond hij het ook een heel leuk idee om dan hier een workshop te geven. Ja, en om dan mensen te zoeken is de schoolband het handigst, want die kan gewoon, ja, die spelen muziek voor de leuk op school. Ja.
Heel erg bedankt.